Children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I'll take class 7th and the chapter we are doing is rational number maths NCERT book ka question number 8 we are going to do. This is of exercise 9.1. So let's start. This is fill in the boxes with what means you have to do comparison and you have to put the sign that is greater than, less than or equal to. Let's see. The two rational numbers are minus 5 by 7 is greater than, less than or equal to 2 by 3. So for that हम लोग पहले से करते आ रहे हैं. इसको हम दो तरीकों से कर सकते हैं कि पहले तो हम इसका एलसीएम लेके इसके डिनोमिनेटर्स को इक्वल करें or what we can do cross multiplication. Just do it with simplest way of cross multiplication, that is 5 by minus 5 by 7 must be equal to what 2 by 3. हम इसको लेके चलते हैं, हम इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से कर देते हैं. दिस इज लाइक दिस. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू minus 5 into 3 that must be equal to what. या बॉक्स बना देते हैं यहाँ पे, इक्वल टू नहीं लिख के. दिस इज 2 into 7, राइट. और लिख सकते हो, बॉक्स बना सकते हो, whatever you wish. This is 15 and minus 15 and this is what 14 plus ka 14 which is greater. This side is greater, that means this number is greater. So which is greater? This, right? Let's come to the next one. See, minus 4 upon 5, minus 4 upon 5 and what? And minus 5 upon 7. So children, just do it like this. So this is what minus 4 into 7 box minus 5 into 5. This is equal to minus 28 and minus 25. Which is greater? Which is greater? This is smaller. Why? Because bigger number of negative is smaller. Okay. So this is greater. That side is greater. This means this one. Let's come to the third one. Minus 7 by 8 and what? This is 14 by 16, right? It is minus 16, okay? Cross multiplication kar lete hain. This is minus 7 into minus 16 box 8 into 14, right? So 42 ke 2, 7 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is plus 112 and box. This is 8, 32 ke 2, carry 1, 8 ones are 8, 92. Any mistake is there? See, 4, 7, 6 are 42. This is I have written this 16 and this is 14. 8, 4s are 32 ke 2 and this is what? 3. 8 4s are 32, 3, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 112. Yes, 112 is equal. Means these two fractions are what? Equal. Right? So in this way you have to do question number 8. Let's come to question number 9. This is which is greater, again comparison. Let's come to question number 9, children. That is which is greater. Two rational numbers are given to us. 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. Okay, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से कर लेते हैं या फिर एलसीएम मेथड करना है. चलो इस बार एलसीएम मेथड से कर लेते हैं. 2 and 3 का एलसीएम लेंगे. व्हाट यू विल गेट? एलसीएम विल बी 6 and here also 6. Okay, here I am just putting this box. Okay, तो 3 2s are 6. That means you have to multiply with 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay, and now 2 3s are 6. That means you have to multiply with 3. This is 15. Which is greater? Which is greater? This side is greater, right? So what is our answer? What is our answer, children? This is what? This is greater. Let's come to the next one. This is minus 5 by 6. अब हम cross multiplication से करेंगे. This and what? Minus 4 by 3. Right? Cross multiplication से कर लेते हैं इसको. This will be minus 5 into 3. आप इसको नीचे नीचे लिखते जाएंगे. As I am having this much space only, I am doing just in front. I am just making line so that आप division अच्छे से समझ जाओ कि इसके बाद ये वाला step है. Okay, this is minus 5 by 3 and box I have made, this is minus 4 into what? 6, right? So what you'll get? Minus 15, and here what you'll get? Minus 24. Which is greater? Minus 15 is greater. So children, this side is greater, that means this one. Okay, let's come to the next. This is third one part. See children, here is your third part. Minus 3 by 4 and 2 by minus 3. So what you will do? Do the cross multiplication. Minus 3 by 4 and what? And 2 upon minus 3, right? Cross multiplication हमने किया. We'll get minus 3 into minus 3. This must be equal to no need. 2 into 4, okay? 2 into 4. This is equal to, I think, no, 3 3s are 9. Minus minus is plus. So 9 and 8, which is greater? This side is greater. That means minus 3 by 4 is greater than 2 upon minus 3. Let's come to the next. Next तो ऐसे ही आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. First is minus 1 by 4 and plus 1 by 4. Denominators are same. So directly just put what? This is less and this is greater. Positive rational number is greater than the negative rational number. Let's come to the fifth one part. That fifth part is minus 3, 2 by 4 and what? And not 2 by 4, this is 7, and minus 3, 4 by 5. Minus 3, 4 by 5. So children, look here. Firstly, what you have to do? Firstly, you have to make it what? Improper. बनाना पड़ेगा. Mix में दिया हुआ है. So I just make it improper. 3 7s are 21, 22, 23. Minus 23 upon 7. And what? 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4 is 90. Minus 19 upon 5. Now do the cross multiplication. Do the cross multiplication. So it is minus 23 into 5 and what? Box? Minus 19 into 7. So children, here you will get 63 ke 3, 6. 7 ones are 7, 8, 9, 10, 13. This is minus 133 and this is 15 ke 5, carry 1. 10, 11. This is minus 115, that is 115, 133. Which is greater? This is greater, that means which is greater one? This one is greater. Right children, so in this way you have to do question number 9. Let's come to the 10th question and the last question of this exercise. Okay, let's do it. See children, here is your question number 10. Write rational number in ascending order. This is minus 3 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5. Okay, so as the denominators are same, there will be no problem. Ascending order में हम क्या लिखते हैं? छोटे से बड़ा, smaller to bigger. So which is the smallest one? What we will see? Numerator. Greater the numerator of negative, the lesser the number. Okay, so this is what they have already written the answer. Yes, minus 3 by 5 is only the answer. Minus, you can write it like this. This is less than na, so this is less than this, and yes. So it is clear to you. Let's come to its second part. Second part is, see children, here the denominators are different. So firstly what we'll do? What we have to make it what? Same, means LCM लेना पड़ेगा. तो LCM of 3, 9 and 3, what it will be? It will be 9 only. Okay, so सबसे पहला वाला अगर हम लिखे denominator 9 and denominator 9, right? 3 कितने सा 9 होता है? 3 3 सा 9. That means into 3 किया तो minus 3 by 9. Okay, now 9 कितने सा 9? 9 1 सा 9, तो into 1 कर दिया, minus 2. And 3 कितने सा 9? 3 3 सा 9, तो into 3 किया. This is minus 12. Okay, minus 12. So what you will get? See, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 12. Which is lesser number? This one. So in ascending order, when we'll write it like this. Minus 12 by 9 is less than what? Minus 3 by 9. This is less than minus 2 by 9. Okay, so in this way you have to do the question, and you can write it in this way कि -12 by 9 कौन सा है, means this number is will come first. Second number पे क्या आएगा, ये वाला ही आएगा, that is -3. No, this one, and third one is this. Okay, in the next step you can do that. And let's come to the third one part, that is also very simple. Just look here. See children, here is what, here you can see one similar thing, that is numerator is same. When our numerator is same, that means what we'll see? We will see the denominator. Greater the denominator, smaller will be the fraction. Okay. अब ये माइनस का साइन है, that means what? माइनस का साइन है तो आपको क्या ध्यान में रखना है, देखो -3/7 greater this one is there, that means this is the smallest fraction. That means smallest fraction मतलब क्या होगा, वो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर होगा. इन तीनों में वो ग्रेटेस्ट होगा. एंड लेट्स सी, और इसमें अगर कंफ्यूजन होता है तो आप इसको एलसीएम निकाल लो. 7, 2 and 4. 7, 2 and 4 का एलसीएम निकाल लो. 7, 2 and 4. 2, this is 1 and 2. This is again. Then 7, 2, 2s are 4. And 4 7s are 28. What is our LCM? LCM is 28. So just put it 28, 28 and 28, right? 7 कितने जा? 7 4s are. So this is what? -12, right? 2 कितने जा? 14 जा. So 4 3s are 12, 2 and this is 52. Okay, this is -52. So 12 and yes. Now 4 कितने जा? 7 जा. This is -21. Let's see which is having the greatest one. This one means this is the smallest, -52 by 28. Okay, this is the smallest. Then is 21, -21 by 28. As I told you earlier also कि smaller the fraction, smaller, अगर ये हमारा smaller आ रहा था, ऐसे देखने से अगर नेगेटिव साइन नहीं रहेगा तो क्या होगा, 3/7 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट वन, मीन्स नेगेटिव साइन रहने से वो ग्रेटेस्ट बन जाएगा. तो विच इज द ग्रेटेस्ट, दैट इज -3 नहीं लिखेंगे हम, क्या लिखेंगे, -12, दैट इज -12 by 28. Now just change it and write the original number. If you want to write, just write the original number. First is what, -3/2. Next is what, -21, which is that, -3. -3/4, and third one is what, -3/7, right? So children, in this way we have completed our exercise. मिलते हैं अपने next video में with the next new questions. And in that, firstly I'll tell you the operations of rational numbers. In 8th class video also you can see that I have told you there also operation of rational number. तो आप उस videos में, उन videos में भी देख सकते हैं. I'll directly start एक्सरसाइज 9.2, उसमें आपको सारे ऑपरेशंस रैशनल नंबर के क्लियर हो जाएंगे. सो कीप वॉचिंग माय वीडियोस रेगुलरली. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल if you have not subscribed, and share as much as it is possible. Thank you. Thanks for watching.